Feeling overwhelmed and need a quick way to relax? Let's make a DIY stress ball using simple materials. Stress balls are fantastic for reducing anxiety and improving focus. Imagine squeezing one and instantly feeling the tension melt away. Here's how you can create your own in just a few easy steps. First, gather your materials. You'll need balloons, flour or rice, a funnel, and a pair of scissors. Start by stretching the balloon to make it more flexible. Blow it up slightly, and then let the air out. This makes it easier to fill. Next, place the funnel in the neck of the balloon and carefully pour flour or rice through the funnel. Gently shake the funnel to help the filling go down smoothly. Once filled, remove the funnel and tie a secure knot at the neck of the balloon to prevent any spills. Make sure the knot is tight. For extra durability, take a second balloon, cut off its neck, and stretch it over the filled balloon. This double layering ensures your stress ball can withstand repeated use. Now, add some personality to your stress ball. Use markers or stickers to decorate and make it uniquely yours. Finally, it's time to enjoy your creation. Squeeze the stress ball gently to relieve stress and improve focus. Feel the relaxation wash over you as you use your new tool. It's that simple and effective. End your day stress-free with this easy DIY project.